Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about a company called Fortis Healthcare Limited. So this particular company is having a market capitalization of around 22,234. Current price is 294 and yearly high is 297, yearly low is 123. And ROCE value is positive, that is 2.59 percentage. ROE value is little negative, that is minus 1.72 percentage. But the last 1 year, this particular company has given a very good return, that is 121 percentage. Last 3 year also the return is positive, that is 25.5 percentage. Last 5 years it is 11 percentage. Debt to equity ratio is good, that is 0.25 percentage. Promoter is having 31.2 percentage holding. And if you look at the last 1 year chart, the stock price you can see keep on increasing. Currently it is trading above its 50-day and 200-day moving average. So especially here you can see there is a very big, huge investment came. This big volume you can see here. So because of that reason, the stock prices keep on rising. It was previously at 277 range. Now it is trading at 290 range. 94, 294 exact stock price. And if you look at the company's advantages, company is expected to give a good quarter because the COVID situation is there. So hospitals are almost occupied with a lot of patients. So as definitely the revenue of that particular company will always increases. That's why this quarter they are expecting the coming this year, the whole year you can see they are expecting a very good result. And even though the fundamentals there are different. Disadvantages are there for this particular company, especially the stock is trading at 3.60 times its book value, and the company has delivered a poor sales growth of minus 0.82% for the past 5 years, and they have a low equity return on equity, that is minus 1.91 percentage for last 3 years. Earning include other income of 14 crore. And if you look at the quarterly result of this particular company, even though you can see from September 2018 to and June 2021, if you look at the quarterly result, you can see the net profit was not at all consistent. Some of the quarter they are giving negative result, and some quarters they are giving very positive result. That it was not consistent till you can see till this September. But December 2022, June 2021, you can see in December 2020 it is 30 crore, and March 2021 it is 43 crore. But recently you see 264 crore. So that's a very sixfold or more than sixfold increase in its quarterly earning. Okay, so that is a very good sign. So that is you can clearly see in this bullish movement in the stock price recently from 270 level to you can see 294 level. So that is the main reason. That's June quarter result is very good for this Fortis. And if you look at the net profit from March 2020 to March 2021, you can see here also it is not, even though initially some of the years it was profitable, but so many years it was not in good terms. So fundamentally that's why this is not a you cannot consider it as a very good stock. But recently because of this quarterly result, you can see you can expect a very good return in a short period of time in this particular company. So that's why I have selected this particular stock for this time. And compound sales growth of this particular company is 18 percentage, and compound profit growth is 171 percentage, and stock price CAGR is 121 percentage. All the three are positive, but return on equity is little negative, that is minus 2 percentage. So if you look at the technical chart of this particular stock, you can see this is the monthly chart of this particular company, that is Fortis Healthcare Limited. So you can see after its IPO started in May 2007, the stock price was trading between in this particular range, that is 224 or 226 was the highest, and lowest is around I think 48 50 range you can say. So for the last 14 years it is trading in between this particular range. But recently you can see on June 1st or July, June 1st onwards, the stock price just crossed this resistance level and went up to a high of around 294 level. So currently it is at 294 level, and if you keep a stop loss below 220, then you can go for a target of around 400 in the near few weeks or few months. You can definitely, this stock price can go to this particular target of around 400. So this is a very 14-year breakout. So it is RSI is also looking very bullish. That is 81 percentage. Sorry, 81 and 81, 82 level for monthly, and also weekly. If you see, the RSI is looking very bullish. That is 77. So more than 60 you can see, and also daily also it is rising. That is, it is around 76 level, and here also you can see it is this huge volume, and it is because of you can see, so in one day it has covered all the 4 days loss. So it is very bullish, looking very bullish, this particular stock. So if you are interested, you can go for this, and it's a very good opportunity. Try to utilize this opportunity, and also share this information to as many people as possible. So thank you for watching. So all the best for your trading and investing.